Good morning, students. This is Professor Muhammad Atif from Anjuman College of Engineering. Okay, today we are going to discuss a topic on irrigation engineering related to Unit 5, that is canal. So, first of all, let's go through with the definition. So, a canal is an artificial artificial structure or a waterway constructed to convey the water for irrigation and various multi-purpose projects such as navigation, fisheries, development of hydroelectric power, and many more. So, let's come over lined and unlined canal. First of all, let's discuss unlined canal. Unlined canal are those canal whose bed and side slopes are not coated to prevent scoring and seepage losses. So, if the bed and the side slopes of a canal is not coated, means if a layer of a concrete is not coated at the bed and the sides of a canal, then there are chances of scoring of a bed and scoring of a side slope, which ultimately going to cause a seepage losses. So such canals are called as unlined canals. Similarly, lined canal. Now, with respect to unlined canal, we almost got to know that in lined canal, the beds and side slopes will be coated with concrete to prevent scoring and seepage. So this is it for the video. Thank you.